Hello everyone, welcome to Analog Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is Miyawaki method. We know that trees act as natural air purifiers and helps relieve the environment. So considering the need of afforestation in India, many governments, private bodies are engaged to create new forests through afforestation method to purify the environment, maximum the carbon capture, and also to ensure that soil erosion problem is also taken care of. So it is in this context that the Miyawaki method came into the news. So who is the person behind this method? Miyawaki is a technique that is developed by a Japanese botanist called Akira Miyawaki, who was very famous for his contributions for afforestation efforts in Japan. So this process involves planting dozens of native species. The reason why we are emphasizing on the point that it is native species is because unless and until it is a native species, it will not thrive in that particular geography. So the second objective is to make it maintenance free. If it is an exotic species, we have to tend and care for that plant. So to avoid that problem, we will be focusing on native species. So why was this particular news item in the news? Kerala has decided to use this Japanese Miyawaki method for its afforestation efforts. Previously, even states like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Telangana also followed this method and has seen some positive results. So Kerala wants to replicate this model because in 2018 we have seen that Kerala suffered a huge loss because of the flash floods, and one of the major reasons for that problem is landslides and soil erosion. So given the fact that Miyawaki method has been very effective in handling these problems in Japan, they want to replicate this model here also. However, there are certain environmental conservationists who believe that this will work in a topography like Japan, but it is not suitable for Indian climate. However, the fact that many states tried this method and saw some success shouldn't stop our efforts. And also, to put things into the context, India has an unprecedented pressure on the land because degradation of land quality is a major problem. India has just 2.4% of the total world area but 18% of the population. So world per capita agricultural land is 0.29 hectares, but in India it is only 0.12 hectares. So the bulging population and the crisis that we are seeing with respect to the land usage patterns will not help us in reaching our INDC targets as per Paris talks. So therefore we have to try this Miyawaki method also. So the process is revolutionized, and this is very important in the context of urban afforestation because these plants grow upwards, that is, they don't grow sidewards. The reason for this we'll have a look in the next slide. But regardless of the soil and climatic conditions even defying all its critiques, this method has been successful across 3000 forests all over the world, and it created dense forests in 20 to 30 years rather than going for 200 to 300 years. So the successful point that we have to remember here is the forests grow 10 times faster and 30 times denser. This is a huge success, and what's more important is they become self-sustainable because of the fact that we are using native species. Consider the following statements with respect to Miyawaki process. So the first point is the native trees of the region are divided into 4 layers. Yes, this statement is right because we will be using native species in such a way that the density is taken care of. So in order to ensure that density is taken care of, the spacing between different plants is also structured in such a way that it includes shrubs, trees, and the canopy is also taken care of. So the statement 1 is right. The close cropping further ensures that the plants receive sunlight only from the top, thus enabling them to grow upwards rather than sideways. Like I've explained in the previous slide, they grow only in the vertical direction rather than sideways. So this is the reason. So both the statements are right. Now please pause the video and comment the answer in the comment section below. If you don't know what this topic is all about, please visit our previous videos about Wasteland Atlas of India and try to answer this question. Thank you.